Welcome back to Freedom Finance Hub channel, where we break down financial tips that actually work in 2025. Today, we're diving into something everyone needs to master: saving money and building an emergency fund. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your financial game, this video has got you covered. So, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's jump right in. Why saving is crucial for financial health. Let's face it, life is unpredictable. One day, everything's fine, and the next, you're hit with a car repair or medical bill you didn't see coming. That's where savings come in. Here's the deal. Savings give you peace of mind. Knowing you have a safety net reduces stress. It keeps you out of debt. Instead of relying on credit cards or loans, you can handle emergencies with your own money. It's the foundation of financial freedom. Whether it's buying a home or taking a dream vacation, savings make big goals possible. So, if you're serious about financial health, saving isn't optional, it's essential. 2. How to build an emergency fund. Alright, let's talk emergency funds. Financial experts recommend saving 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Here's how to calculate and build yours. Track your monthly expenses. This includes rent, utilities, groceries, and other essentials. Multiply this by 3 to 6 months, and you've got your goal amount. Start small but consistent. Don't stress if saving that much feels overwhelming. Begin with $500, then $1,000, and work your way up. Automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings account each payday. Trust me, you won't even miss the money once it's routine. Remember, an emergency fund isn't for vacations or shopping, it's for true emergencies. 3. Types of savings accounts. Where you save your money matters. Let's quickly break down the best options. High-yield savings accounts. These offer great interest rates, making your money work harder for you. Perfect for emergency funds. Money market accounts. A mix between a savings and checking account, offering flexibility and decent returns. 4. Tips for consistent saving. Saving doesn't have to be hard. Here are my top 5 tips for saving consistently. Pay yourself first. Treat savings like a bill and set it aside before spending. Cut unnecessary expenses. Use budgeting apps like YNAB or Mint to find where you're overspending. Set SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound goals keep you focused. Reward yourself. Celebrate small wins to stay motivated. Just don't blow your budget. Building savings and an emergency fund might seem intimidating, but with a plan, it's 100% doable. Start today, and your future self will thank you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Let me know in the comments, what's your biggest savings goal for 2025? See you in the next video.